Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name is Josh and today I'm going to show you how to create thin film coatings using Fred. So to start, what we would do is we would right click and then we would select create new coating. But for the interest of time, I'm going to show you the coating that I already have created. And this is the thin film that we've created already. So what I first set is the wavelength, which here is going to be set to the wavelength of the source. Here I'm setting the angle of incidence at which the light is going to be hitting my beam splitter, which you can see is 45 degrees. Then what I do is I set my thickness to be waves, which means that these are now quarter of the wavelength in thickness. And I leave the substrate at last layer. So after doing that, we come down to here, we set our optical thickness, we then choose our material, which here we've selected silicon dioxide and titanium dioxide. What we've done after that is we've clicked and dragged this surface onto the other one. We've then right-clicked and we've made these into an individual layer. And we've repeated the layer 10 times. So after our coating's been created, what we can do is we can right-click and select Plot Coating. I'm going to change this to vary the angle, and I'm going to change the glass material to be NLAC 14, and the number of steps to be 301 to create a smoother graph. I'm going to change this to be S&P polarization, select OK, and the following plot is going to show up. And here we can see the reflection and transmission dependent on the angle of incidence. After all this is done, we're able to run our ray trace. And here you can see our beam splitter is splitting the light dependent on the polarization. And there you go. As always, CVS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.